Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial by MYGEECS. Today we'll be looking at how to handpick your choice program university on the MyGigs website. So if you tap on programs, you'll see several options. Find programs, compare and contrast the programs. You will see my favorites. You also see the application tracker. So we're back to find program and let's look for data engineering. It's a very lucrative program of work. And as you can see, we have two programs that have popped up. University of Munich, Germany. You can see the several filters: Canada, US, United Kingdom. You can see the degree type, bachelor's or master's. You can see the budget, so you can pick your budget, what you want. You can also pick when you want to enter your program, 2025, 2026. You can pick the month. You can also handpick the duration. So we have an excellent choice of filters. We also have an advanced filter, right? So everything is all designed to ensure that you have, adequate choice, right? So you can handpick anything based on the amount of money you have, when you want to go for the program. And as you can see, it's a $12,360 scholarship program annually. As you can see, it gives full breakdown of all the required information. It's a 2-year program. It's for your master's. It shows you a 20% acceptance rate. It gives you the breakdown on the required CGPA. Your admission information. It gives you everything. As you can see, this university and this program, you can also get scholarship. So on the MyGigs platform, it tells you which universities or programs have scholarship opportunities. And you can also start the program, the application process by yourself, or you can seek assistance from our specialists all on the app. You can see I've confirmed when I want to apply. And now we have moved to the application tracker, and it shows you all the required information and basically guides you to do the application process by yourself. Easy, straight to the point.